Hi, it's Evelyn here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from North Canara. Konkani Sahitya Academy confers honorary award on Kashya, Jerry and Kumri. People of North Canara celebrate Lokotsava, a festival of culture and language. News headlines from our own city, Mangalore. Won in a Lifetime Achievement Award presented to Lokayukta Santosh Hegde. TV IG World's Melita Pinto wins prestigious rank award. Visually impaired artists spellbind the audience with their brilliant performance at Siva Dance Festival. Jesu Bowarincho's trio, Konkani drama, draws huge crowd. And in our entertainment bash, we have songs by Ranipura Music Group from Konkani Nirantri and a Kannada song by Geetotsava 2008.
Vendel Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 244752 4254881 6452 999.
News in detail. This Sunday, March 9th, it was a hectic day for all the Konkani-speaking people of North Canara. They were busy listening to the words of Konkani's eminent personalities and enjoying Konkani folk dances. Konkani Sahitya Academy held its annual award presentation ceremony at Honavar, a coastal city of North Canara. Konkani Honorary Awards for the year 2007 were conferred on 3 individuals who have excelled in their own literary field on Sunday, March 9th at the Pratibodaya Kalamandira at Honavar. Francis Fernandez Kashya for his contribution to Konkani drama, Dr. Gerald Pinto Niddudi for literature and Manjaya Shivukumri from Gerusoppa for folk art received these prestigious awards during the function organized by Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy. The chief guest, Dr. Edward Nazareth, orthopedic surgeon, Father Muller Hospital, Mangalore, and local gynecologist Dr. Sandeep Rao presented the awards.
असल्या एका संकष्ट परिस्थितीत आम्ही असताना कोंकणी जर उरजे जाल्यार वा आमची भास उरजे जाल्यार आमी थोडी कामां करूंक आसात तातूंत एक गरजेचें आसा कोंकणी आमी लिखीत रुपान हाडूंक जाय. कोंकणींत भुरग्यां खातीर भाशण स्पर्धे, लेखन स्पर्धे, काणयो बरोवचे स्पर्धे वा कवन स्पर्धे तसले ल्हान ल्हान कोंकणींत करून भुरग्यांनी कोंकणींत बरोवचे बरें करना तांचे मदें कोंकणी तें उर्बा आनी मोग हाडची गरज आसा.
Eric Ozerio, president of Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy, welcomed the gathering. Speaking on behalf of the awardees, Francis Fernandez Kashya thanked the Academy for recognizing his works. H.S. Shivarudrappa, Registrar of the Academy, members of Konkani Samanvaya Committee, Honavar Kudla Anand Shanbag, Umesh Mesta, Keshava Tandela, Suresh Tandela, and members of the Academy Vittori Karkal, Vincent Alva were present on the days. Earlier, the awardees including folk artists were taken in a colourful procession on the main streets of the city. The program concluded with some folk dance presentation by the local artists. Honavar, a quiet and calm coastal town of North Canara, has in its abode quite a large number of Konkani-speaking people. Honavar, one of the oldest cities of Karnataka, is rich in its culture and heritage. People of North Canara celebrated their language and culture on Sunday, March 9th at Honavar. We have a report on this. The people of Uttara Kannada assembled at Pratibodaya Kalamandir in Honavar on March 9th in order to celebrate their Konkani language and culture as part of the Konkani Lokotsav. The event was jointly organized by the Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy and Konkani Samanvaya Committee, Honavar. Lokotsav was inaugurated by the local folklore scholar as well as an artist, Purushottam Bhikkhu Mesta. In his inaugural address, Mesta opined that Konkani people must converse in Konkani whenever and wherever they meet.
आमकां जल्मा येवंक रे आम्मान खंयची भाशेर आमकां उलोवचें शिकयलास की ती भाशा मातृभाशा म्हण आवसून दिली भाशा ती आवस आज दुखीत जालें कारण कितकी म्हळ्यार आज आधुनिक युग ह्या युगांत भितरी एक भाश उलयतलो ती की हळ्ळींत भितरी हळ्ळ्यांत त्या भाशेक थोडेशे कट्ट जावन उरता म्हळ्यार तुकडे जावन उरता.
Eric Ozerio, president of Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy, who presided over the function, said, Uttara Kannada is the most important and biggest pocket of Konkani people.
उत्तर कन्नडा कोंकणीचो कर्नाटका भितर कोंकणीचो एक प्रमुख सुवात जागो. कोंकणी लोककला उत्तर कन्नडांत आमगेल्या लोकां मदें प्रत्येक जावन जो लोक आमी गरीब म्हूण लेखतात तांचे मदें ही लोककला श्रीमंत आसा. ते खंयच्यानी गरीब न्हय, दुडू तांच्या लागीं उणें आसच्या पुरो, पूण श्रीमंत लोककला ह्या गरीब मनशांनी जिवीत दवरल्या.
R.S. Raikar Upponi, former president Uttara Kannada Zilla Panchayat, was the chief guest of the program. Umesh Mestha, president of Konkani Samanvay Committee, Suresh Tandela, convener, V.M. Bhandari, vice president and advocate, S.H. Shivarudrappa, academy registrar, were present on the days. Manjaya Konkani group recited prayer song at the beginning. 9 groups from various parts of Uttara Kannada showcased their unique folklore art as part of Lokotsav.
गुमटे मरियारे गुमटे मरियारे गुमटे मरियारे गुमटे मरियारे मम्माई देवाकू गुमटे
बापा लाडान मोटरसायकल पुता काढून दिला ते
रंगाचे खेळते सिग्म्यामध्ये रंगामध्ये रंगाचे खेळते सिग्म्यामध्ये
Supreme Court retired Judge Lokayukta Justice N. Santosh Hegde, who hails from the illustrious Nitte Hegde family, is an eminent personality. Hegde got a feather in his cap when Sri Devi Education Trust and Mangalore City Road Track Club jointly presented Vandana Award in recognition of his achievements on Saturday, March 8th in Mangalore. The former Supreme Court Judge and Karnataka Lokayukta, Justice N. Santosh Hegde, was honoured with the prestigious Vandana Award instituted by the Sri Devi Education Trust and Mangalore City Road Track Club during the annual day celebrations held on Saturday, March 8th at the TMA Pai International Convention Centre. Sri Devi Education Trust President Sadananda Shetty and Chief Guest of the occasion, Director of Medical Education, Dr. S. Ramananda Shetty, presented the award.
Sri Devi Trust, along with many other trusts in this country, especially in this district, has provided educations to hundreds and thousands of students who deserved education.
Dr. Shantram Shetty, Chairman of Road Track and Vandana Award Presentation Committee, Dr. B. Ram Das Rai and Road Track President Sunil Kumar were also present. Well, there is no dearth of talent in Mangalore. TV Digi World anchor Melita Pinto has proved this. A meritorious, talented engineering student of PA College has made her parents and teachers proud by winning the rank award. Melita Pinto, an engineering student of PA College of Engineering, has won the Race for Awareness and Knowledge rank award in Dakshina Kannada. The award is instituted by Air India, Deccan Herald and Prajavani to recognize students' excellence. Melita is the daughter of Joel and Matilda Pinto of Balmata Medicals, Mangalore. She is also the anchor of TV Digi World and was crowned Miss Digi World 2006. Shiva is considered as the Lord of Dance. Before a classical dance artist starts his dance performance, he prays to the Lord Nataraja. Shivanatyam Institute of Visual Performing Arts, Siva, an organization based in Mangalore, is working for the promotion of classical arts. Headed by its young artistic director, Surya N. Rao, who has learned Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Yakshagana, gave a treat to the Mangaloreans on Saturday, March 8th by organizing Siva Dance Festival 2008. We have a report on this festival. Leading dancers from Bangalore congregated at Town Hall and danced at Siva Dance Festival 2008 on Saturday, March 8th. The dance performance by Surya Narayana Rao, Kuchipudi dance by internationally renowned artist Sanjay Shantram, Kathak by Sweekrut Bangalore, contemporary dance by Janardhan Raj Ars and dance recital by Tandavas Group Bangalore enthralled the audience. And it was the breathtaking performance of Bharatanatyam by the 5 energetic visually challenged performers of Group Articulate Bangalore which stole the show at the festival. stunned the audience with their perfect dance performance, doing no mistakes. They emerged as the star performers of the evening held by Shivanatyam Institute of Visual Performing Arts. Siva Institute Artistic Director Surya Narayana Rao honored Karnataka Kala Tilaka Ullal Mohan Kumar and Vidwan Chandrasekhar Navada. Lenten devotion is at its peak in the city. It was only a week ago that Caudle Church played host to the historical venture Da Upades play. Almost 10,000 drama buffs of the city were witnesses to this bold venture in Konkani. Konkani buffs were in for another treat on March 9th evening. St. Agnes Special School grounds played host to another biblical Konkani play, Jesu Bovarinchos Trio. Sea of devotees and Konkani lovers converged at St. Agnes Special School ground on Sunday, March 9th to watch another Lenten venture, Jesu Bovarinchos Trio, a Konkani biblical play written and directed by noted Konkani dramatist Arun Raj Rodriguez. The revolutionary play, which depicted the role of brave women who were the witnesses to Jesus' teachings, his mission on earth, his excruciating sufferings which led to his crucifixion and his triumphant resurrection, was a unique venture in Konkani. Sangeet Guru Joel Pereira scored background music to Jesu Bovarinchos Trio, while Ronnie Krasta Kelrai penned lyrics and Eric Oserio composed the music. Monsignor Alexander D'Souza, past president of Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy, inaugurated the program. Louis Pinto, Rohan Montero, playwright and director Arun Raj Rodriguez, Sangeet Guru Joel Pereira, Josie Rodriguez, Vice President of St. Anne's Parish Council, Kelrai, Father Mark Castellino, Parish Priest of St. Anne's Church, Kelrai, Priscilla Montero, Secretary of Parish Council, Kelrai, were also present on the occasion.
मुझे बरीच हजारो विद्यार्थी ह्या बरेपणाचो फायदो जोडला हेरांच्या त्यागाचो धर्मार्थ म्हणले बरी जोडल्या फायद्यान मुझे कितें ऋण बनता म्हणले चिंतप हांवें परिशीलन करची गरज आसा तें हांवें केलां. केल्राय देवपर्जेन ह्या काळाची गरज समजून तांच्या प्रगतीची एक इंग्लीश माध्यम इस्कॉल जायची म्हणल्या खातीर ही येवजण हाती धरला. मात न्ही येदोळस संवत्सर शिकची भुरगीं हायस्कुलाच्या पावंडा पावन या मार्गाच्या काळाची धर्मार्थ म्हणले बरी शिकप करतात म्हणल्यार व्हड नावाची गजाल.
The parishioners of economically backward St. Anne's Parish, Kelrai, had organized the play on the occasion of World Women's Day observed on Saturday, March 8th. The total cost of the play was estimated at Rs 2 lakh. However, the entry was open to all and there was no entry fee for the play. It is time for a break now. There is much more coming up after this short break, so stay tuned.
Vendel Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cash back on European tours, up to 20% cash back on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 2447582, 4254881, 64529999.
Apurva for Atlan.
बहरेनात आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज. मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था. इमिग्रेशन, तिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मँगलोर 5750 006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.